Hey, what's going on, guys? James here from Manifest Griefing, bringing you guys another tutorial of our coding a Minecraft client. So this is part 2 of our basics. If you haven't already checked part 1, be sure to do that. And we left off coding the watermark, and we made a menu, but it doesn't have anything yet. But what we can do is make this a little more fancy. So first off, instead of having this turquoise, we're gonna add 2 more F's to make it white. And well, you can still leave it as turquoise, but yeah, let's do that. Leave it at turquoise. And we're gonna put up equals menu to tell us that up equals menu. And what we can do, if we only want, say we only want up to be turquoise and we want menu to be a different color. If I want menu to be red, all I have to do is right in front of it just press backslash 2474, and 247 is like a color code, and then 4 is red, and at the end of it another backslash 247F, just like that. And if we run it, you'll see, and I apologize if it's a little slow. I'm rendering part 1. So if we press up, see there, it's a nice turquoise color, and then the menu is red. But it's kind of hard to see. So what we can, or it's hard to see with like this, we have to like kind of look down into a dark area to see that says menu. So what we can do is actually draw a rectangle around it, or as the background of it. So if I go up here and press draw rect, and then the R in rect is capitalized, and what that will do, like I said, is draw a rectangle. And in here you're gonna have to put, it's just like, I think it's F like that. So what you're gonna want to do is first draw the rect, which is draw a rectangle, and then you're gonna have 2 numbers here, and then after that you're gonna have the color. So let me just look up the integers real quick, because I didn't have that memorized. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. It's 130, it's 160, and this, I believe the first number is how long it is from right to left. That's how long it is. 1 and 1, that's the numbers from the spacing from top and to the left. So the spacing, so I think this one, the first one, is the spacing from the top, and the second one is the spacing from the left. Oh no, it's backwards. And then the last one is how long it is from up to down. And then, like, again, that's the color. Oh, and just for this purpose we can make this transparent, just to give it more of a look. And like I said before in the last tutorial, to make it transparent, the first letter is A instead of FF, you have AF. So go ahead and save it and run it. And alright, and hopefully this worked. No, it didn't. Hold up, guys, let me check what, hold on guys, let me try something. Maybe if we put this draw rectangle in the if, that might work. But I apologize, guys. I usually don't use that rectangle, so I'm kind of bad with it. Let's try a different color. 42, 42, 42. That's 3 42s, which is a grayish color. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, it has that nice transparent grayish color. And yeah, you can see that menu a lot better, or you can read it a lot better. But we still have a problem. If you want that turtle client to still show up or still have that same opacity, you can also have that the same font renderer. So just copy that and paste that in there, and if we run it and load up the world, there we go. So yeah guys, also what you can do is there's other colors as well. If you want a green for that menu, it's 2472. So just instead of 2474, just put 2472. But I'm gonna keep it at 2474. And how much more time do we have? Yeah, we have a lot of time. So another thing we can do real quick, we can add another variable. So let's just name it fly. Actually we can add a lot more, since eventually we're gonna need all this. Static boolean Fulbright. Alright, and save that. Now we can go back into here. So if check key, it's pretty much the same thing as this. So if check key keyboard dot key underscore, and for fly we want F. You can have whatever you want though. This is just my preference. And we want that to toggle the fly equals variables dot fly, and then if check key keyboard dot oops, what am I doing? That's if variables dot fly. Oh, wait a minute, I might have done something wrong. Yeah, wait, we don't actually need those variables. What you can do though is actually just put that in here, because we want it to show that even when, hold on, let me show you. Up equals fly, F equals fly dash 2474, and then dash 247 F. Hold on, I'll explain in a minute. So what this is gonna do is when you toggle the menu, it'll automatically show all of the commands, which is what we want. Oops, render, which is what we want. So yeah, so what there's another thing we can do. It was like, I kind of forgot how to do it though. Hold on, let me check it. I'm gonna make it so that if we toggle the F, it'll turn green, and if we turn it off, it'll be red. So hold on guys, I have the code, it's just I didn't have it memorized, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I had it. What you can do is inside the if variables.menu, you can put if variables.fly, open it up with a squiggly bracket, put the font render inside the variables.fly, and what that will do is make it so that if you have the menu, it will, oh wait, hold on guys, I'm sorry if I'm confusing any of you. Put an else statement at the after the ending squiggly bracket, and then put font renderer dot draw string with pretty much the same thing as what we just wrote above this. So 2474 fly dash 247f 224 0xFFFF. Okay, and this one is going to be 2472. Here, let me explain. So when the menu is on, it will show this, and once the fly is toggled on, what the heck? Okay, so once the fly is toggled on, it will show this. Cam Studio Tip, whatever. It'll show that. So now we have to make a check key for the fly. So check key keyboard dot key F, open it up, and variables dot fly equals variables dot fly, and make sure you got that exclamation point and semicolon. Alright, so now if we save it and load it up, alright, so here we go. Up button. Alright, there's our fly, and if we put that up, I guess I messed some text up. That's still okay. But yeah, you can also do this if your soul wishes to. What did I mess up here? I didn't mess anything up. Fly and fly. Oh well. You can also do this at the end. You can put on because you want that to be on, and at the end of this you can put off. So it'll be off when it'll be off, and once you turn it on, it'll be on, obviously. So 7F. I don't know why that's. Oh, there we go. 247F. I put 247, or I put 242F. Okay, guys. Alright. So single player. Alright, so it's still white for some reason. Oh my goodness, but that doesn't really matter. But yeah, as you see, pretty cool. And that Cam Studio Tip is being crap. But the reason why fly isn't working is because we haven't told the variable what to do yet. But we're not gonna get into that quite yet. Also for this, I'm just gonna keep it white so that it doesn't look so weird. But yeah, how much time do we have? Yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching part 2 of basics. That's pretty much the whole basics. So next we're going to be doing, I guess we can just do fly. We can do a fly mod. No wait, we're not gonna do fly mod quite yet. We're gonna do Fulbright first, and then after Fulbright we're gonna do X-ray. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.